Hello, this is Ahmed, UAE resident working for a multinational company. He recently had a big problem with his car, but he has too much to do and no time to find a qualified garage to fix his car at a reasonable price. A number of friends and colleagues told him about their bad experiences that they have had with garages. These included being cheated, ripped off, use of fake parts, and worst of all, the technical quality was not up to standard. All of this made Ahmed very nervous and concerned as to how he was going to fix his car. Then, one day, Ahmed found the solution. The company was called AUTOBNB. Shortly after Ahmed's online submission, AUTOBNB analyzed Ahmed's needs via the phone and offered a hassle-free solution that was being taken care of by their trusted auto professionals, who operate with fully experienced specialists from qualified garages. Thanks to AUTOBNB, Ahmed could go on his overseas business trip. During his trip, Ahmed received reports and updates with detailed photos on how progress was being made. AUTOBNB even offered Ahmed several pricing options. Then Ahmed selected option and made easy payment online by his credit card. When Ahmed came back from his business trip, his beautiful Mercedes was already waiting for him at home and as good as new, ready to be driven. Do you want hassle-free solution on your car problem? Visit AUTOBNB.ae or call 054-455-6675 today. Email us marketing@AUTOBNB.ae. Let AUTOBNB make your life easier.